Yeah, 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 yeah.
Toto je lepa, cool, svetý, jo. Berte krík, ako staví. Berte krík, Maťa, berte krík, ako staví.
Drop, too fast, drop, too furious. I'm too fast for y'all, man. Drop, too fast, drop, too furious. Oh, I'm too fast for y'all. Oh, you just came home from doing a bid. Tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. Somebody broke in and cleaned out your crib. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Just bought a new pair and they scuffed your shoes. Tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. Now them cops trying to throw you in them county blues. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Talking about gats, traps, cops and robbers. It's 911, please call the doctor. Evacuate the building and trick the pigs. Since everybody want a piece, we gon' split your wigs. See some fools slipped up and overstepped their boundaries. You bout to catch a cold, stay the fuck around me. Your peeps talking about what kind of shit's he on. You'll disappear like poof, bitch be gone. You think 12 gon' catch me? Give me a break. I'm supercharged with the hideaway license plate. It seems they wanna fingerprint me and give me some years. They'll only get one finger while I'm shifting gears. I got suede on my roof, wood grain on the dash, sheepskin on the rug, golden grain in the stash. Hydraulics all around, so I shake the ride. We go front, back, and side to side. Some punk just tripped up and made you spill your drink. Tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. Now your car just stopped on an empty tank. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. If you got late bills and you lost your job, tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. If you about to get drunk and you ready to mob, boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Let's take it to the streets, cause I'm ready to cruise. Just bought me and my cars all some brand new shoes. And the people just there, so I love to park it. And I just put a computer in the glove compartment. With my pedal to the floor, radar on the grill, TV in the middle of my steering wheel. It's my car's birthday, so we blowing them candles. Most speakers in the trunk than my ride can handle. Got my name in the headrest, read it and weep. Nas tank in the back, camel hair on the seat. And when I pull up to the club, I get all the affection, cause the women love the pain and they can see their reflection. I'm about to take off, so F what you heard, because my side mirrors flap like a fucking bird. And for the fools, we gon' clock one, then we'll pop one, cause my folk riding shotgun with a shotgun. You just got hustle for a wad of cash, man, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Now your friends just smoked up your brand new stash. Say what you gon' do? Act a fool. Now them girls up the block still running their mouth. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. If anybody talk bad about the dirty South, tell me what I'm gon' do. Act a fool. I got my eyes wide shut and my trunk wide open. Did donuts last week in the street, still smoking. See, I'm off that antifreeze and my car is tipsy. On the off-ramp doing about 150. Rolling through East Pern on my way to Ben Hill. Slide a 5 to the junkie to clean my windshield. Got the whole crew riding and we starting shit. I even got a trailer hitch with a barbecue pit. And now all you wanna do is get drunk and pout. Plus your new name is Fire, cause we stomped you out. And yeah, we blow trees and bees, that's fantastic. So girls, hold your weed while I'm weaving through traffic. I kick the fifth gear and tear the road apart. You'll be like Lil John Q and get a change of heart. It's one mission, 2 clips, and some triple beams. I'm about to blow this whole shit up to smithereens. The potholes in the street just bent your rims. Tell me what you gon' do? Act a fool. Man, that ain't sticky, that's sticks and stems. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Catch your man with another bitch up in your bed. Ladies, what you gon' do? Act a fool. If the bottle's all gone and your eyes are red, boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Too fast, too fast, too furious, too fast. Act a fool. Too fast, too fast, too furious, too fast. Act a fool. Too fast, too fast, too furious, too fast. Act a fool.
To je parkour. To je parkour. Parkour.
Jak se voláš, povedz? Zino Borný Jean.
Zino. Som Zino Borný Jean. Je Eichel môj idol. Všetko.
Ja som Eichel, ale volajú ma aj Skippy. Som Skippy. Skippy má isto mail, lebo
Povedz to ešte raz.
Som Skippy, the bush kangaroo. The bush kangaroo from Australia.
40%!
Ako ste ho, to je negepostý, to je nabuchané.
Ja som holy shit.
On je holy shit.
Holy shit.
Holy shit, shit, ten med, holy shit. Povie na to gangstri, niečo ešte dáme. Svetý Júr.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Miro Pele, tvůj tata vyjebaný. Yo, piešaný, moje meno je Rytmus. Jdeme rap, já som piešanský mýtus. Jdeme rap, nemám kariéru z baneru. Jdeme rap, tvrdo makal jebo tak veru. Jdeme rap, nemám zmluvu se Sarvašom. Jdeme rap, nerobím s patedlom vašom. Jdeme rap, já se nepretekám s vami. Jdeme rap, pochopte to, že jsme páni. Jdeme rap, vystupujem ako zlatý klinec. Jdeme rap, v tvojom klube vždy narobím pinec. Jdeme rap, reperi mi kradnú slova. Jdeme rap, keď začnem ja, môžete sa schovať. Jdeme rap, chcete sa vyjadrovať ako ja. Jdeme rap, moje slangy ty boják. Jdeme rap, moje hlášky ty žebrák. Jdeme rap, jdeme rap, jdeme rap, yeah. My tu určujeme tempo. Jdeme rap, nepičujú ja za žertov. Jdeme rap, žebračích reperov bijem. Jdeme rap, svojich ľudí ja kryjem. Jdeme rap, s repom dlhé roky žijem. Jdeme rap, novinári majú záujem. Jdeme rap, poďte sem, nech vás oplujem. Jdeme rap, vaše články sú ja za piču. Jdeme rap, o hip-hope víte piču. Jdeme rap, jdeme rap, jdeme rap, yo. Desmond Tassler, iné pičoviny. Ste jedna veľká rodina a nechcem byť medzi nimi. Píšte si o sebe a nepte sa do repu. I vaše úvahy sú zlé a sú na piču. Ja mám piči vaše titulky a rozhovory. Stále ty isté nuly, z toho ma už kokot bolí. Ste neobjektívni a píšete len o sebe. Ste mimo kvality a dobre vás to ujebe. Máme svoju scénu, svojich ľudí, svoje kluby. Jdeme rap, že vás všetkých pojebem do huby. Jdeme rap, jdeme rap, jdeme rap, jdeme rap, yeah. Nevyšiel som z karaoke. Jdeme rap, začal som v Tránskej stoke. Jdeme rap, stále prezentujem ulicu. Jdeme rap, na kokote mám baranicu. Jdeme rap, môžem jebať celý Aurel. Jdeme rap, že sa mi grca, je to kandel. Jdeme rap, porota mi zjedla kokot. Jdeme rap, a ja hreším jak kokot. Yeah. Jdeme rap, raperi vyhýbajú pohľadom. Jdeme rap, nechcú problém so starým hovadom. Jdeme rap, chcú byť tvrdí iba slovami. Jdeme rap, na živo predo mnou sú to strany. Jdeme rap, sú to vyjebané deti. Jdeme rap, sú to hovná a smeti. Jdeme rap, nezniem ako Cool Keith. Jdeme rap, lížete mu jeho kulky. Jdeme rap, prezentujem originalitu. Jdeme rap, ponúkam iba kvalitu. Jdeme rap, nemám jebakovú pleca. Jdeme rap, kašak ty vyjebaný feťák. Jdeme rap, nemám spuchnuté nohy. Jdeme rap, na túto hru som dostal vlohy. Jdeme rap, mám rád chlpaté piče. Jdeme rap, tak choďte do piče. Mám rád chlpaté piče. Jdeme rap, tak choďte do piče. Yeah, yeah, jdeme rap, jdeme res, jdeme rap, jdeme res, jdeme rap, jdeme rap, yeah.
Yeah.